Hi everybody, welcome to Paper Wishes Vlog. I'm Lene Gehrig, and today I have these just simply adorable from Hunky Dory Teddy Loves collection. This one is the Teddy Loves Luxury Card Topper collection. It makes 24 cards, and I'm going to go through it and show you what's in there. And then you also have the Teddy Loves Rocker Reveal card set. It makes 4 cards. And this one is the Teddy Loves Decoupage Book Concept Card Kit. It also makes 4 sort of book-shaped cards. So they are adorable, and let's get in and take a look first at, let's just do the big one here, the 24 card collection. Let's take this out, see what's in here. I love that Hunky Dory always gives you lots in their kits. They also give you this wonderful idea sheets with lots and lots of ideas. Look at this art. It is adorable. It's got, first of all of this wonderful, adorable scoreable that coordinates with all of the die cuts. So really all you need to get started with this is an adhesive. You could use some glue, you could use some foam tape, and you are set. A pair of scissors. And you can take this with you wherever you want. And oh, here are the reverse of this, all these wonderful. And I love that they put a nice mix of what you would be more masculine cards. Great for grown-ups who love teddy bears too. Perfect for Father's Day, birthdays. You are covered with this. Oh, so cute. Okay, so here's a card that I made. And with this one, I went ahead and they've got these wonderful frames around them. So I just offset that frame a little bit and glued that down first, and then took the inside little card topper and foam taped that at an opposite angle. Did a little cutaway here on the front of my card so that when you opened it, bam, you see the larger image here. It's time to celebrate. So this was a really fun and easy card to put together. And then I have another one here. This one's an easel card, and for an easel card you want to just start with your card and then you score down the center so that when you prop it up it makes a little display like that. Okay, this one I also utilized those frames in a different way, so I glued it. Everything is only glued to the bottom half of the card. The top half is all free so that when you lift it, it stands up by itself. And then use some foam tape on the inside for the greeting there. It's got some dimension, so you have something to prop it up with. So that's always really fun to do. And then we've got, for the next kit, we've got this Teddy Loves Decoupage Book Concept Card Kit. That's a mouthful. And that's what, this is one that I made. I love this adorable little car. And it's got some dimension too there, and then you can tie these ribbons for your presentation, and I just left them open. So let's take a look at how to make one of these little books. All right, so I've already got my foam tape and things on some of these. One's stuck. So the first thing you're going to do is go ahead and pop out what's going to be the book portion, the dimensional frame on the front. So you're going to take out all these little pieces right here. They're already pre-scored, but you want to go over them again and score all of those pieces, folding them. And I should say that inside of the kit it comes with full instructions, step by step, so you know how to put all of these frames together. But I always think it's nice to show you where you have a visual. I'm very visual, so I always like to watch something being done. All right. Got all of that. Okay. And then you're going to have these 2 side pieces of the frame. I have this one and this one as well. And you're going to fold those on the scores lines as well. Little side tabs. All right, so now I'm going to take a little break. I'm going to put tape on all my pieces so you don't have to watch me do that, and I'll be right back. Okay, we're back. So I've already started assembling the frame, but I'm going to show you how to do that. So we've already scored all of our pieces on our frame. And then remember these two little side pieces. I've already installed one right over here, and I'm going to show you how to do the other. I've put strips of double sticky tape along the side here, here, and then a little tiny piece on each one of these tabs, okay? And this is what we're going to do with this. We're going to place that at the end of the frame, just like this. And then the little tab piece right here, we're going to fold that over and adhere that to the inside of the long edges on the frame. Okay, there we go. We got that all done. Now, I've already done the bottom edge here. I'm going to do the top edge. We've got these little tabs. I put some extra sticky tape here, and we're going to fold that over. Make sure that's connected. And then the same, we're going to fold that over on this side, that little tab, and we're going to make sure it connected a little early there. There we go. We're going to make sure that's connected. I just kind of reach inside. There we go. All right, so everything is all connected like that. Now, here is the card, the top of the card, okay? This is going to be the inside. This is the top. So what we're going to do is take this and we're going to adhere this right over the top like that, okay? But, oops, we need to add a little bit more tape. There we go. And what I like to do is just adhere it kind of at the corners like this. I find I just need to use less tape if I just do that. Come on, tape. Oh, brother. There we go. All right, and then I'm going to put another one. And just for the sake of time, I'm probably not going to put all the tape that I would normally put on these corners because I want to go ahead and move on. There we go. So I'd also put tape on these corners as well. So we're going to go ahead, we're going to open this up, and then we're going to take our little frame, we're going to align the corners and the edges. Just going to press that down like that. Oops, I've got some of that backing stuck on me. Okay, so there you go. So you see all the inside is all finished because we put those little tabs, those extra tabs on there. All right, so here I've got my little teddy bear die cut pieces, and they came off the sheet. Looks like this. All the different, there's 4 different card pieces on here. So these pieces right here, went ahead and I layered those pieces with foam tape. And I'm going to go ahead and we do this after we put the frame on because sometimes if you're a little bit off with your placement, the frame will bump into them. So I like to put the frame on first and then go ahead and put these pieces on. All right. And then you've got this adorable little greeting. You could put here, or you could put here. If it was right side up, there we go. Put it right there. Oh, we've also got this little spoon piece. And I have foam tape on that. We'll put that there. All right. So now we still have these 2 lengths of ribbon, and that's for our closure. So we want to make sure to put those in. And you've got these little pieces here. They're little strips that are on your sheet, and these are the little borders. You want to put extra sticky tape on those as well. Okay, got 2 ready to go here. And then what I do with the ribbons is I just went ahead and just put a little bit of glue to attach those. You don't need much. And I'm just going to glue one ribbon there. And then my border already has the sticky tape on it. And I'm going to go ahead and put that right over that. And then on the other side, I'm going to go ahead and take my ribbon, put it there, and here's, whoops, that just popped right off. That, and here's my other border. All right. Okay, so that's all set. And now I can just tie this closure. Would obviously work better if it was the glue was completely dry, but you get my idea. And you can just have that closure done, and then you can put your little happy birthday right there. So all the different cards that are made with this, here's that instruction sheet. Here's an adorable one with cars. That's the one I made. There's a little celebration, a little teddy with flowers, and of course the cake one. So as you can see, these are really fun to make. They're not difficult at all. Just need some extra sticky tape and some foam tape and you're ready to go. And then let's take a look at the next kit. So our next kit is a little rocker card. And if you can see it like this, but it goes like this. It's so cute. And it even has a little pocket tag that you can take in and out. And then on the back, it even has a little greeting there. So really cute and fun to put together. Let me show you what comes in this kit. Here we go. All right, so this one is the Rocker Reveal Concept Card Kit. It has this great little soccer bear. Sit back and relax bear. Oh, and I love this one. You are my home and my adventure all at once. That is so sweet. And you are beautiful inside and out. Very sweet sentiments. It has all the rocker parts, got envelopes, ribbon, everything you need. So let me show you how to put this one together. All right, so you start with the rocker base. All right, and then there's a lot of score lines on here, so where to begin? So you just go ahead and score like this. This is going to be the back of the card, and it just kind of comes together. You're just sort of pinching it in half. All right, so let's take a look at that again. So if this is the front of the card, you're going to have a valley fold on each side and a valley fold in the middle. Wow, did I ever get that wrong? These are mountain folds. You're going to have a mountain fold on each side. That's funny. And then a mountain fold at the top. And then at the bottom, at the base here, you're going to have a valley fold and a mountain fold. And the reason we call them mountain and valley is because there's a mountain here, there's a mountain here, and then the down in the valley, and then there's a mountain there. Okay? So that's going to be your base. Then, as you can see here on mine, you're going to take out this little guy right here, and it's got these little tabs. At first, these little tabs were confusing to me. I was like, which direction do we fold them? What is going on? So what you do is you're going to fold each one forward, okay, so that you have valley folds. And then you're going to fold the top one back. So you're making a little platform, really. Just like that. All right, see if we can see this. It's gonna look like this in the bottom, like that. So you've got sort of a little platform just like that. And then you're going to take the frame pieces, take these off. Okay, and you could put a little bit of glue. For the sake of time, I'll use glue and I won't use tape. Just a little bit, and you're going to put this frame right over that little platform that you have made. And you just want to align the scallops on that. Okay, so when you're doing that, you've made this nice little pocket. And then your pocket is going to get glued right here to the front of the rocker. Then you're going to take this little piece right here, and that's going to be the tag. It's going to go inside of the pocket. And I've just cut a little piece of ribbon. And to make my little ribbon hanger or tab, I'm going to thread the fold of the ribbon through the center. And then the ends are going to go through the loop right there on the back. And I like to do it this way because, oops, I like to do it this way because then that little fold goes on the front of the tag and it looks a little more finished. There we go. And you can see I've got some little raw edges here. So I like to cut those in an angle. That way they don't fray. Okay, and then that is just going to go inside that little pocket. And then we're going to glue that pocket right to the front. Doesn't require much glue. That right there. And then you can embellish using a little bit of foam tape. You can put your little signs here down the front. And then, oops, you can also take this excess piece that you have and you can put that on the back. Very easy to put together and lots of fun to make. So we have a great money saver on all of these kits. They're all bundled together today. You can check out the money saver on the vlog page. It's underlined right below the video. You click on that and it'll take you to the money saver page. And if you're watching us on YouTube, just take a look in the description for the links to the money saver as well as links to get you to paperwishes.com. So you can watch more videos and look at more hunky-dory kits as well as all the other great products that we have. So thanks for joining me today and I'll see you next time.